Okay, so right here we have a package from Uffer Up. Well, I bought this in Uffer Up. And let's see the minifigures that are inside. I'm just gonna open this quick, covering up the address. All right, there's that. All right, boom. Okay, there we go. And small piece of paper with just two nice, pretty good condition Lego minifigures. Let me get this out of the way. So there's one, pretty nice. And then here's the other one, which is also pretty nice. This package was actually more expensive than the last video I did because this figure is like 20 bucks, brand new, and this is really good condition. So there's these two figures. Hopefully they don't fall. There we go. All right, never mind. Here, I'm gonna bring one of the other ones, my originals. Okay, so here is my original figure that I got back in 2012, and it's still pretty good condition, but I lost this this cloth piece, so I wanted to order it again and have it complete with the actual what is this thing, this piece right here, instead of a visor. So now I have two of them and they look pretty good. So there's my ARC troopers. Whoops. Alright, if you guys want to see my Lego minifigure collection, please just like the video, and then that'll be my next video. Thanks for watching.